Well, hey guys, today we are in pursuit of some antique hinges for our Airstream. So if you saw the video that I did on our table, we are looking for some antique hinges. So one of our favorite places to come to is Scott's Antique Market. It's gigantic, right? I mean, it's huge. It's a little rainy today, but for the most part, this thing is just two large, big outdoor, it's outdoor warehouses, it's indoor warehouses, and it's pretty big. So anyway, we're
looking for the perfect hinge.
We are looking for the perfect hinge.
I think we'll find it. I'm pretty confident.
Yeah, I think so. Normally Scott's Antique Center is just packed with people, but it's kind of rainy today, so there's not a lot of people here. A lot of the vendors aren't here like normal. Otherwise this place is packed, but it has some really cool stuff nonetheless. It's really cool and fun to look around. Say hi, Jessica.
Hello.
Airstreamer. Future Airstreamer.
Absolutely. It's going to be on the road all the time. I can't wait.
Very cool. Very cool. So along with the big outdoor gig, they have two large indoor arenas.
Massive.
Massive.
Indoor. Well, it's actually the Atlanta Expo Center. So.
Yeah. So, and because it's raining, it's packed inside. And they have some really cool stuff in here too. So we just bought something we're pretty excited about that we'll show you in a second. It's
very exciting.
But I think it's very appropriate in the RV world. Here, I mean, just look at how, this is just the carpet section of this place. Pretty big. All right, onward. Washing machine for our Airstream.
I want it. Done.
Are you doing the laundry?
All right, we'll let you decide. Vote below. Should we do our laundry old school style washboard, or should we go to the laundromat? You decide. Let us know. We're buying this either way.
So here's the big reveal. This is what we got for our Airstream. Ready? We got our hinges for our fold-out table that I just made.
Is them. I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but this is very, very exciting.
Yeah, very cool.
All right.
And
1930s mouse trap.
This is a mouse trap from the 1930s that we are going to use as like a jacket clip. We're going to anchor that to the wall, and we'll be able to put our jackets and stuff like that. So this mouse trap is from 1930. It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Very cool.
Very cool. So we're going to use it somehow, probably clear coat it, keep a little rust on there, and we'll kind of incorporate it into the design in the Airstream. Very cool. think it's very appropriate that you have a mousetrap in your 1976 Airstream. And
just in case we need to use it.
Just in case we need to use it. But I think mice and the RV life probably go hand in hand, I would imagine. And what better way to keep out the mice than say, look, we've been doing mouse trapping since the 1930s. So anyway, just kind of like a cool, fun video for you guys to, you know, to kind of see what we do when we're not hiking and backpacking. We're antiquing. We love it, right? So anyway, thanks for watching. Please like or share our video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a lot of cool things coming up. It's really good to see everybody. Trust the trail. We'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.